How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you guys are here. You know what I'm saying. Today I'm just putting out an update video on NIO and as it relates to the NIO community and how NIO has been doing right now in the news and this price action. But right now, looking at this Twitter post by Deadness, he said, honestly, the NIO bulls after hours are buying, setting this up for a gap up tomorrow, $22 plus. What do you guys think? Do you guys think the stock's gonna reach $22 or more? Are you guys bearish or bullish on NIO? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm definitely bullish. You guys know the vibes. Now I want to talk about NIO. This is an update I would have made if I would have posted a video on October 6th or 7th. But because obviously I go some days without posting, but now I'm trying to catch up by posting a lot. So if you guys see me post a lot more frequently, like it looks like I'm spamming posts or something about NIO, don't get mad, especially if you're subscribed, because I'm just catching up on stuff I missed out on. I should be posting every day to keep you guys updated because I do have a strong fan base thanks to you guys like subbing to the point where I have 4K subs. I do need to update pretty regularly. So if you guys start seeing me post every single day, don't think I'm spamming or some way like and whatever. But I'm just trying to get as much information out there as fast as possible. But yeah, NIO already confirmed NIO Day. It's on January 9th of next year. So put that on your calendars, guys. Don't forget about that event or that date either, because there's going to be a lot of important stuff about battery as a service, and not only the services that NIO is offering with their ecosystem, but also the products like new cars, a lot of the information that you guys will hear on conference events, but just more bullish news. I'm sure it's gonna take place, especially when it's in the beginning of the year. Like they want to start off the year with momentum, with people wanting to buy into the stock. So that will really have a push that bullish sentiment with this company. But guys, this article right here kind of pissed me off. You guys can see why I'm scrolling down. I just want to get through this as fast as possible because I don't like this article, but I only agree with one part. You guys will see what I agree with. But 2 electric vehicle stocks to buy and 2 to avoid. So this is stocknews.com. Obviously this is not like Goldman Sachs or any large finance website like that, but this website still managed to make me mad because look, I want to show you guys what this is saying. So basically it's saying, let me go down to where I can find, okay, right here. So right here you guys can see, hold up, let me find it right here. Okay, in EVs, 2 companies with the strongest businesses are Tesla and Plug Power, right? I mean, that's understandable, but while investors should avoid NIO and Nikola Motors. Okay, so right here you guys can see stocknews.com is saying to avoid NIO and Nikola Motors. I don't see why you should avoid NIO. I mean, I understand Nikola Motors, right? The fraud allegations, the founder stepping down, them having no deliveries or sales, and their prototype vehicle failing, basically, like all that drama and stuff. I can see why they're telling people to not buy into Nikola Motors, but NIO, guys, NIO is been showing strong growth month over month, quarter over quarter, and not only sales but deliveries, and also looks like they can actually increase production without sacrificing the quality of the product of the car. I mean, that's one thing that's debatable, right? Whether they can keep up the quality of the vehicle by ramping up production, but I still think that they'll be able to. I think they have a lot of workers, and I'm sure they're going to expand to the point where they're going to hire more people to keep up with that demand. We did hear a lot about the CEO or the founder saying he was talking about increasing production recently, and especially starting this month, September, now that the EC6 released. So I do think that in the coming months, we are going to see them expand to the point where they're going to be delivering over 5,000 vehicles consistently, over 5K, not 4.7K like the September delivery numbers that we had recently, the update. No, not like that. I think we're going to start hitting 5-6K like regularly. So every month, no matter if it's the beginning of the year, right after, quarter 4 or whatever, or if it's in the summer, it doesn't matter. I think, and especially during quarter 4 and quarter 3, those quarters are going to be the strongest for any car company, usually like Tesla and NIO, especially over there in the EV market in China. You guys know NIO has historically done really good in the last few quarters of the year, so I do expect NIO to come back around and destroy with quarter 4 and quarter 3 results, not only and showing them like their margins, but also like just sales and deliveries, just hard raw data like that we can use to predict where they're going, forward in the coming months in terms of sales and growth and in that particular area. But I do see NIO definitely increasing in production, and that will definitely allow them to be more profitable. And if they can get a year or two of profit, profitable quarters, which I know it's hard to do for a lot of these EV companies, even though it is cheaper to make EV cars than regular combustion vehicles. But once they do have a year consistently of them being profitable, I think they can cut down on a lot of the debt that they have. They are still going to be affected with the the short-term debt that they took on with the creditors and stuff. I don't know if it's more long-term, but I still think that they have to deal with that. But yeah, what would they say to not buy NIO? It doesn't make any sense. Nikola Motors obviously has a lot of problems, but NIO, let's look at this. It says, it's right here when it talks about NIO, it's basically saying that NIO has a 30 billion market cap with a price to sales ratio of 21, so the stock is already pricing in future growth according to them. However, NIO is about to embark on the most challenging endeavor for an upstart car company: ramp up production while maintaining quality. I don't agree with that. I think that they will be able to easily ramp up production, hopefully get us to those 5,000 numbers per month, and not having to sacrifice quality whatsoever. So they're wrong on that. I think that they will continue to do well. I've seen what this company can do, man. Like, and especially during a pandemic, like they're doing so good during this crisis. It's incredible. But yeah, 1 million swaps, guys, already. I wanted to update you guys on that. I know this was like couple days ago, but I should have made a video when that was released. But obviously now I'm catching up by posting. I'm gonna start posting a lot, hopefully. But I saw this the screenshot right here, but it's a trading view graph, and it's showing the NIO cup and handle. So it's just the way the graph is moving. As you can see, there's a cup right here. You see the dip, and then you see the little handle showing that is dipping again. But right after it dips, like right here, it went down. Then it picks up the slack and it goes up. That usually happens. So I expect NIO to get up to $23, $22 around there again, which is right now a current resistance level, $22. We should be breaking that soon, especially as we're approaching the end of this month. Again, guys, time is moving so fast. It's already October 8th. Like, it's crazy that I'm saying that, but yeah, guys, we are building that healthy consolidation with the stock. So I do expect that a couple more days, maybe a week or two at most. Once we get to like the third week of this month, around there, like I think we're gonna start breaking that resistance little by little, because after a healthy consolidation, usually with the stock, you could see it, start trending upwards. That's usually the trend. That has been the trend lately, but we have right here the stock RSI. You can see him stacking this up with the balance of power and showing those graphs right here. But what this guy from the trading view community said, he's saying that there's an amazing bull flag that it's about to complete, leading into a bunch of MAs with tight consolidation. MACD higher lows, potential bullish crossover. Buyers in control. I think the bulls are in control this time around today, especially today, because we are up like almost around 5%. Stimulus is coming no matter what. We did hear about that from the president. EV marketing is simply booming in China, guys. NIO partnering with that fashion brand is a good business move short in the short term right now. So I do think that's going to help bring a lot more exposure to the company, especially if people, they start buying from that fashion brand. NIO has been working hard on their ecosystem, NIO Life, NIO House. I think that's the future. They're not just going to focus on the products, but they're trying to build this ecosystem, kind of like Amazon, where Amazon started out with books and now they sell everything. I think NIO wants to do something like that. I don't know why. I just get that feeling that they want to go that route. Basically, they want to sell clothes. They probably want to sell a lot more services. So once they can build that loyalty with the customer, I think that they will be able to market more things to them. Like NIO users will be able to experience a lot of good things from the already built ecosystem in the future. So who knows, they might even have discounts on like clothing and stuff like that. They can do a lot of stuff to sell more items, more products, not just like cars. They can definitely sell like a sort of lifestyle, like a, you know. So I think what NIO's trying to do is they're trying to sell that upper class lifestyle over there to the young generation in China. So I think that's the direction they're going. Let me know if that has you guys bullish at all, or if you guys are not, you guys don't even care about that. Then also let me know. So yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Peace out.